So during my time at S&T, I learned how to dedicate myself to success. Success for me meant putting forth the effort every day. When I was back in high school, I was not the most academic-focused student. But because of S&T, I was pushed to my limit, and I learned how to become a better student. I learned how to study better. I learned how to keep motivated. And from there, I was able to find my passion of nuclear physics. And from there, I was nothing but successful. So I just want to say, William, I'm grateful for you, sir. After graduation, I will be attending a university in Oklahoma, obtaining my doctorate in medical physics. And hopefully in 6 years, I'll be a doctor. With what they taught me in my degree, I can apply nuclear applications in the medical world and really help people, especially people with cancer, and that's one of my biggest causes in life.
When I started college, I was like insanely shy. Like I wouldn't call for pizza, I would make my little sister do it. I started giving campus tours when I was a sophomore, so then I had to get really good at speaking really fast. Work. I was really involved in the Mars rover design team. I served as their social media manager. I did a lot with their crowdfunding project, and then I served as chief executive officer. When I was looking for a place that I wanted as a career, I was kind of looking for a place that I could kind of meld customer service and leadership with technology, which are a lot of the skills that I picked up at Missouri S&T. And so what I found was IT consulting at RSM, which is a tax audit consulting firm. I would say that I've been very successful, but not at all in the way that I planned when I first showed up as a freshman.
Oh, yeah. I heard about material science and metallurgical engineering, and it just totally blew me away. S&T, it's really gold. You get a diploma, and it's not a guaranteed job, but I mean, you're in a good position.
Much better.
In senior year, someone said, hey, Nucor's having a tent with food. I said, okay, cool, I'll stop by. And one of the guys flagged me down. He said, hey, you're a metallurgical engineer. I said, yeah, I am. He goes, would you like to interview for a full-time position? I said, okay, sure, no problem. And then they gave me a call and they said, hey, you know, we'd like you to come down for an on-site interview. We're gonna speed past the phone interview. Nucor is the largest steel manufacturer in the United States, so that's really a great place to start my career.
I'm a transfer student, so apart from the curriculum that I've learned, I've also learned to get along with people of different ethnics and backgrounds, because where I come from, it's just one culture. We're all Botswana. But to come here and have a mixture of people from all around the world, I've learned to deal with different situations, know how to talk to people. Have a great day. Yesterday I got a call and I got a job offer from Kiewit, which is a mining and construction company, and I'll be doing underground tunneling. It's a big company, so it's also international, and hopefully in the next couple of years maybe they can move me somewhere closer to home.
So I'm actually going to be an associate technology analyst at Express Scripts. I actually interned with them last summer, so I'm going to be joining them actually just a week after graduation. I'm going to be working on servers that host applications that perform different functions for Express Scripts. So basically making sure that all the medicine gets delivered on time. My major is kind of unique in the fact that it is not something that is offered at a whole lot of schools. So I have a bit of the comp sci and a bit of the business. I mean, it's kind of scary at first, but I think I'm definitely prepared for it. I sit in the corner willingly, it's okay.
Currently, I'm pursuing my second master's in information science and technology. I decided to use my experience and help other international students who come and don't know anybody. So we actually work towards opening a small organization which helps international students with the rights to Walmart, or help them to how to open a bank account, or how to make their license, how to get their social security card, all the basic things which I learned.
Okay.
I hope to go back again and work with Brewer Science. I've been just in Rolla for 5 years now, and I think I will continue to be here for a long time.
Whenever you are ready, I'll just come and present.
I feel it's a great place to grow, to learn, and to serve.
Missouri S&T is like a big family. I love it here. It's a small campus and we're really close-knit. I wouldn't go to any other school. I love it here. I'm kind of not wanting to leave, but I know it's time. I'm starting a job with General Mills in June, and I'm going to be up in Hannibal, Missouri. I'll be managing a team.
Nice.